guys, once again welcome back to Active Education Pro. Today I am going to solve questions from D Sharma books from class 7 mathematics. And in my last video already we have uploaded two questions from D Sharma chapter Pythagoras theorem. 15 chapter. Chapter number is 15, Pythagoras theorem, triangle and its properties, and there is a chapter 15.5. From this chapter I solved question number 2 and 3 in my last video, and please don't skip this video because one by one I do all the problems for your better reference. So please don't skip any video. You have to watch this video, you have to complete this video from start to ending regularly, so that you have no doubt on this topic, Pythagoras theorem. So now this is time to start question number 4 from D Sharma mathematics books. So question number 4, a ladder 3.7 meter long is placed against a wall in such a way that the foot of the ladder is 1.2 meter away from the wall. Find the height of the wall to which the ladder reaches. So it is all about a ladder problem, and there is a problem regarding ladder in NCERT book mathematics of class 7. So as per these questions, we will solve these questions thoroughly. A ladder 3.7 meter long is placed against a wall. So first we have to draw the pictures. So this is the base and this is the wall, and there is a ladder. This is the ladder declined towards the wall. This is the ladder and 3.7 meter long. This is the first clue. The ladder is 3.7 meter long. This is 3.7 meter long, and that the foot of the ladder is 1.2 meter away from the wall. Foot of the ladder, there is a foot of the ladder, here is the foot of the ladder, and this is the wall. The distance of this between the foot of ladder and the base foot of the wall is 1.2 meter. This is 1.2 meter. Again I repeat it as per the questions clues given to us. The length of the ladder is 3.7 meter, whereas the distance between the foot of the ladder and foot of the wall is 1.2 meter. This is the distance between the foot of ladder and the foot of wall. And now the question is, find the height of the wall to which the ladder reaches. The ladder from base reaches at this point, and this is the wall. So this is the height of the wall where the ladder reaches. So we have to find out the distance. We have to find out the distance from the base to the ladder reaches point, the ladder reaching point. So this is the length we have to find out of these questions. And here there is, when a ladder declined towards any wall or placed against a wall, it makes a right angle triangle, because always wall is perpendicular to base, so it makes a right angle triangle. And hypotenuse is also itself the ladder is a hypotenuse. So here in this questions given to us that 3.7 meter is the hypotenuse and 1.2 meter is the base, and we have to find out the perpendicular from base to the ladder top point. This is the ladder top point, and this is the foot base of the ladder. This is the top point. So we have to derive the distance between the base and the ladder top point. So here we know, as for the Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to p square plus b square. You can write here the length of the ladder is 3.7 meter and the distance between the foot of ladder and the base of the wall is 1.2 meter. You can write the language to solve this question to do more attractive in these questions. So h square is equal to p square plus b square. Here h is 3.7 meter square. Here h is equal to 3.7 meter square. 3 point square of 3.7, and p, we don't know what is p, and b square is 1.2. Square of 1.2. Square of 3.7 is equal to 13.69, where p square is remain as p square because you don't know the value of p, plus 1.2 square. Square of 1.2 is 1.44. Now you can transfer it. P square is equal to 13.69 minus 1.44 is equal to, this is 12.25, and now P is equal to 12.25, which is equal to 3.5 meter. So P is 3.5 meter. The height of the base, the height of the wall is 3.5 meter. Sorry, this is meter, this is not centimeter. Here we have to place with its unit 3.5 meter. 3.5 meter, the distance between the base and the ladder top point. This is 3.5 meter. So this is our question, and this is our answer, 3.5 meter for question number 6. The next question number 5. If the sides of a triangle 3, 4 and 6 cm long, determine whether the triangle is right angle triangle or not. One more theory about Pythagoras theorem, that there is a triplet named as Pythagoras triplet. If there are 3 numbers, triplet means 3, triplet means 3, there is 3 numbers, there are 3 numbers. If a square of any 2 numbers, the sum of square of any 2 numbers is equal to the square of the third one, then yes, it is a Pythagoras triplet. Again I repeat it, there are 3 numbers. If sum of square of any 2 numbers is equal to the sum of the third one, then it can say that triplets, Pythagoras triplet. Example, suppose there are 3 numbers a, b and c, and the square of a square, b square of b, square of b is b square, and square of c is c square. So if any two of them add any two of them, and which is equal to the third one, suppose a square plus b square is equal to c square, then yes, it is a Pythagoras triplet. Otherwise b square plus c square is equal to a square, then yes, it is also a Pythagoras triplet. So any two of them, sum of any of them, a square plus b square or c square, which is equal to the third one, the remaining one, then yes, it is a Pythagoras triplet. So here questions for us, if the sides of a triangle are 3 cm, 4 cm and 6 cm. We don't know the triangle, whatever it may be, it is a right angle triangle or isosceles triangle or any triangle, we don't know according to their angle or according to their sides. We don't have any idea on this triangle, but questions given to us that 3 sides of this triangle are given to us, 3 cm, 4 cm and 6 cm. By watching this length, we know that the triangle is a scalene triangle. 3 cm, 4 cm, 6 cm, no sides are equal to any other sides. So this is a scalene triangle. So we have to check out first the square of each 3 sides to check Pythagoras theorem. Maybe it satisfies the condition of Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras formula, then yes, it is a right angle triangle. So here we don't know 3, 4, 6, anyone, whether it is a side of right angle or not. So 3, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 6. So as per the Pythagoras triplet theorem, we have to find out first the square of these 3 numbers. So a square is equal to 9, b square is equal to 16, c square is equal to 36. So this is the larger one, c square 36, this is the larger one, 9, 16 and 36, 36 is the larger one. So by adding these two, maybe it can equal to 36. Maybe it is equal to 36. First check whether it is equal to or not. So 9 plus 16 is equal to 25, which is not equal to 36. Here sum of any two of them is not equal to the third one. 25 is not equal to 36. So it doesn't satisfy the conditions of Pythagoras triplet. So it cannot be a right angle triangle, because in a right angle triangle, the sum of square of other two legs is equal to the square of the third one. Means we can say that this is the hypotenuse. The third one is the hypotenuse. But here we get the square of each side, and after adding, it doesn't match with the third one, the greater one. So it is not a triplet of Pythagoras condition, Pythagoras triplet. So thank you. This is the question number 5 from D Sharma books, class 7 mathematics, chapter 15.5. In my next video, we will do the next question, starts from question number 6. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my video, and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.